Pop Tom here. Um, I was asked by a follower to about the cold start of my benchmark 4000 inverter. Tried to do some videos on that. I pulled it out of our garage, let it set overnight in -8 Celsius temperatures, um, and we'll show you what the outcome was. Um, anyway, I apologize for the camera work. I'm still learning. I was using my phone. My stand was not working. It kept falling over, so it was a real struggle. Anyway, uh, thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. You have a great day. Bye for now. Sorry about that. You dropped you there. Yeah, it's a little overfull. I must have got really zealous when I put oil in it before. But we got good oil. Okay, get the cap back on. I'm really appreciating people that do YouTubes with one hand. I don't know. All right, so let's turn the switch on. Okay. All right. Choke. Fuel is on. All right, let's see how she does. Well, it's not looking so good. Let me just double check it here. Make sure I got the switches in the right position. Okay. Okay. Now let's try it again. Looks like I was sitting there thinking I don't remember doing it, but I may have, yeah, I ran the fuel tank empty before I put it away. I would say why it's not wanting to start, hey? So let me grab some gas here. Alright, I still have 5 of gas in the shop here. Let's give this a shot here. Alright. As you can see, I found gas jug. It actually has the vent on it. I hate those ones without the vent. Okay, I'm going to set you down here for a sec. All right. I think that'll make a difference. I'm so embarrassed on that. The gauge on top showed some gas in it, so I figured there was gas in it. So let's give this a shot now. Choke on. Fuel on. Oops. Got to turn the switch back on. Be right back. So, tried doing some recordings, but my phone ran out of capacity. So anyway, after all the trying to start it and whatnot, realizing I didn't put gas in it, I hadn't turned on my starting or my ignition. Still wasn't wanting to start. I ended up draining the carb bowl, the bowl off the bottom of the carburetor, flushing it out. I think it probably had some water crystals in it because I had drained it empty, and it probably had some. Once I did that, 2 pulls and it started right up. I had to choke it pretty good and let it run on choke for a bit, then half choke, but it ran fine. My conclusion of this is I think it would be fine for colder weather, like to minus 10, minus 15 Celsius. But I don't know if I would trust it much more than that. I'm pleased with this purchase. I think it's a good little unit. For the price, you can't beat it. Anyway, hopefully this video helps you a little bit. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You all have a great day and take care of yourselves. Remember, you are loved and God loves you. Bye for now.